To celebrate 17 years of eating BodyWorks, they released their new Lavender Aloe collection. Yes. Feel free to use my brand ambassador code Naturalizta. I will also note it in the description box below. So the new Aloe Lavender collection is designed to stimulate growth and reduce stress. This soothing lavender and aloe vera infused collection is packed with antioxidants that help kill bacteria, strengthen the hair follicle, and increase blood circulation to the scalp. This first product is the Lavender Aloe Moisturizing Co-Wash. This is a great way to refresh midweek, and it helps with detangling your hair in between sessions. The next product is the BodyWorks Anti-Breakage Deep Conditioner. This is a protein-free deep conditioner, and it's great for strengthening and restoring the hair's elasticity. The Lavender Aloe Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner keeps tresses smooth, hydrated, and shiny. The perfect primer for any style. Next we have the Lavender Aloe Smoothing Gel. The smoothing gel is perfect for sleeking and polished styles and keeps the flyaways at bay. The smoothing gel is also supposed to be flake free when it dries. Next we have the Lavender Aloe Hydrating Refresher Spray. This spray is great for a daily dose of hydration during the week, and this is helpful in reinvigorating any hairstyle. Also we have the Lavender Aloe Growth Oil. It's great for rehydrating the hair and treating the hair without buildup, and it is a nutrient-packed boost to help reach those healthy length goals that we all have. Contains essential oils and botanical extracts. I also received goodies that I always receive from the beloved Eating BodyWorks every month of working with them, and this was a lot of goodies. Do you see this? Five gifts, y'all. 5 gifts. So that is it. We have reached the end of the video. If you enjoy watching unboxing videos like this, let me know down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed watching this video. And stay tuned for my next video that I will be uploading soon.